Disclaimer on. This video is pure for education purpose only. Please do your own research. Hi everyone, come back with us on the PooCoin Research channel. This time we will analyze the Brew Labs. Is this legit or scam? Check this out. Brew Labs is a utility coin for auditing, engineering, and token bridging. This token running on the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. Maximum supply is 1 billion tokens. Currently only available on PancakeSwap. This token was created on December 16, 2021. Brew Labs, informative, trustworthy experience. Brew Labs has multiple utilities such as auditing, engineering, and token bridging. I think it will be a potential project if it is seriously developed. For tokenomic tax, here is the reward in the form of BUSD for holders, marketing, liquidity pool, buyback, development, and staking. They also explained that the contract is not renounced for reasons of adjusting buy-sell tax, and also needed to run the combustion hour function. There are 6 benefits obtained by the holder: staking, reflections, vaults, airdrops, NFT power-ups, and bond market. For details, check their website, link in description. Now let's analyze more deeply about their tokenomics. Previously, I was impressed with the way they developed their project, very transparent and professional. To prevent snipers, 24 hours of launch phase, the first 60 minutes are subject to a 30% sales tax, and they explain the distribution of the tax. 23 hours remaining after launch, subject to 25% sales tax. I like this kind of mechanism to prevent the market from crashing at the start of a new project. Because the contract is not renounced, the developer can limit the amount of tokens for one wallet, maximum 2.2% of the total supply. Maximum transaction, 0.5% of total supply. This is called anti-whale mechanism. No wallet can shake the market with one transaction in a massive amount. It's good for small holder. Make sure you have a minimum of 2,000 Brew Labs tokens to get a reward in the form of Binance USD. Currently, Brew Labs is still in onboarding status, meaning that it is still being audited by the Certix team. It may take a few weeks to complete. In the first hour of release, this token instantly flew 146%. Then down 32% from all-time high when this video was made. Swap analysis. Swap analysis results. There is no indication of a honeypot for now, but no guarantee for the future. Because the contract is not renounced, developers can change the contents of the smart contract, including disable selling. Buy and sell tax is high, 14%. 4% reward for holder, 3% for marketing, 1% for liquidity, 4% for buyback, 1% for development, and 1% for staking. To get reward, make sure you have 2,000 Brew Labs token in your wallet. The holder analysis. Current holder, 3,500. The owner wallet has 6.6% of the total supply. That amount should be locked to increase the trust of the holder. The top holder only has 1.5% of the total supply. That's good. Holder analysis results. Top holder only has 1.5% supply. But the owner's wallet still has 6.6% supply. That's not good because it violates the 2.2% max supply mechanism that was created. It should be locked for a few months or tied up in a smart contract wallet. The last, liquidity analysis. Current market cap, $5 million. Availability of liquidity, 1,000 BNB. The owner's wallet has 2.7% of total liquidity. This wallet has 6.8% of total liquidity, and is unlocked. 25.5% liquidity already locked in PinkLock. This is good, liquidity locked for 11 months. Last, 64.8% liquidity locked in Unicrypt. The same period, liquidity is locked for 11 months. It was great. The total lock liquidity is 90.1%. It is quite safe from the risk of rug pull. Liquidity analysis results. Liquidity availability, it's safe. Total locked-in liquidity, 90.1%. It can be said to be safe, but it will be safer if the remaining 6% of liquidity in other wallets that have not been locked is immediately locked on Unicrypt or PinkBlock. If the Brulabs market cap is equivalent to 1-inch coin, then the price has the potential to go up 210 times, or the price is $1 per coin. This prediction is based on the amount of market cap and token supply. Alright, my conclusion. I recommend this coin to buy because the project has the potential to be successful in the future, and the risk of the market being manipulated is very small, because there is anti-whale mechanism that limits the number of transactions and token ownership. That is my personal analysis of the Brulabs coin. The analysis I use is based on blockchain transaction data. If you have any requests and questions, comment below. See you on next analysis. Bye.